Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Najwa. So today I'm trying out new products that I recently got, but some of the products are not necessarily new in the market, but it's new to me. I'm gonna do this look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I just got this, so without further ado, let's get to that portion of the video. I'm gonna start with priming my face. I am using Tula Skincare Probiotics and Superfoods Face Filter Blurring and Moisturizing Primer. This is something new that I got recently. It's a blurring and moisturizing primer in one. So I don't know whether it's blurring my face or not, but feels tacky, so I'll just let it set. For brows, I don't have anything new to try, so I'm just gonna use something that I already have, which is my Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. Set it with the Gimme Brow, Benefit Gimme Brow. For foundation, I'm gonna use the HD Liquid Radiance Foundation. They do have another one called Liquid HD Liquid Foundation, which is HD Liquid Coverage. So this one is a matte formula, mattifying formula. So this one is a glowy formula, so it's supposed to be like, it's lightweight and moisturizing texture that blends perfectly with the skin and infuses it with warm glow. So this one is supposed to give you like a glowy sort of look, as opposed to this one is the mattifying look. Okay, smells the same. So I got the color Natural Beige. So it's very liquidy in texture, so I don't know whether I should use a brush or a sponge, so immediately you can see that it has like a very glowy, dewy texture. So yes, it does give you that smooth glow, radiance look to the skin. So you can see it. So that was like the first layer, so I'm gonna go with the second layer. It's very liquidy, so to work fast. It's very watery, I would say, so maybe that's what gives it that glow, the luminosity to the skin. Because compared to the normal HD Liquid foundation, this one is more watery, the other one is more pekat lah, this one lagi cair. So I guess that's what gives it the dewy effect. So if you can see my face, it gives like a dewy effect. So if you are oily, I don't know, maybe this one will not work so well, or you have to powder your face throughout the day. Tapi kalau you have dry skin, this is really good for you lah. You can see coverage wise, not bad. 2 coats. It makes my skin look very healthy, I think. And I think this colour suits me better than the colour that I got in the normal, I mean the matte formula. So for concealer, first I'm gonna use orange tone concealer to, you know, cover my dark circle. So the one I'm using is W7 Catwalk concealer. So the next thing that I wanted to try is the Catrice Instant Awake Concealer. Cover, hydrate and anti-wrinkle. Hydrating long wear concealer with medium buildable coverage. Reduces optically fine wrinkles. So it looks like. I got the number. The color I got is the Neutral Light 005. So it's like a twisty thing. To wait for a while for the colour to come out. Thing about benda macam ni selalu macam pusing-pusing kan, nanti kan lambat tau keluar. Lepas tu bila keluar banyak. Tu je. Okay, so the colour is a bit light for my skin, but I guess if I were to use it to brighten my under eye, it will be alright. Don't really like the sponge because it doesn't feel rasa lembik macam boleh koyak sponge tu. So it does somehow help to make my under eye look a bit more fresher, I think. Maybe I should get like this one is a bit too light for my skin, the colours. Maybe I should get like something darker, but I think it looks alright. Off camera it doesn't look so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna set my under eye everything with the Catrice 5-in-1 setting powder. This is also something new that I got. So it's 5-in-1. It's mattifying, waterproof, sweat-proof, fixing and SPF 10. So, but this is a white colour powder, so because this is a mattifying powder, so as you can see my foundation doesn't really have that dewy effect anymore, but you can still see that not that matte. You can still see the dewiness. Okay, so tell me, how are you guys? This PKP 3.0, what do you think? Sengal ke tak sengal? Do you have to go to work? Are you able to work from home? So let me know in the comments, you know, what do you think of the pandemic? Bila kita boleh macam, you know, lead our normal lives again? I tak sabar. Okay, so next we're gonna go to the eyes. So today I want to try a new palette, but this palette is not new. It's new. I just recently got it, but it's not new. But to me it's new because I've never used it before. So it's the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. You can get this in Sephora. So this is how the palette looks like inside. It's a very rose tone palette. I'm going to start with the color Golden Ochre. This one is my base. Next, I'm going to go with the color Sienna. Next, I'm going to go with the color Red Ochre. The color, the palette is a bit powdery, the matte. gonna go with this color, Cypress Umber, at my inner, my corner. And then in the middle, I think I'm gonna go with this color, Antique Bronze, and also this color, these two. The shimmers are really nice. I'm just gonna blend it. I'm gonna take the lightest color, which is Vermeer. Okay, this one. Put it in my inner corner. Just gonna go back to the color Raw Sienna. Put it under my lower lash. I've done my both my eyes. I really like this palette, but I don't like this furry cover because cepat gila kotor, nampak dah kotor dah. If you want to get it, wait for Sephora to have their sale, so it'll be worth it to get the palette. So next, I'm gonna prime my lips with the lip oil. From Ciate London, Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply a mascara. I don't have any new mascara to try, so I'm just gonna use Benefit Roller Lash. Eyelashes are done. Okay, so for the face, I want to try out the new RMS Beauty Lip to Cheek Rouge. It's like a cream. It's like a cream blush, but you can use it as a blush or on your lips as well. So it has like a it's creamy, so very nice color. So it's not so pigmented, which is kind of nice. So you can build up the color. So you can see it gives like a very healthy flush. I'm gonna try it on my lips as well. The color is not so. It's like a very pinkish color, so nice. So on the days that you don't want to put so much makeup, you can use this kind of product lah. Dia macam nampak very fresh looking. For some bronzer, I'm trying out the Clean ID Mirror Bronzer. I got mine in light medium. Okay, so this bronzer is a bit orangey, you can see, but it's very light-handed and blend. So kalau dah blend tu macam okay sikit lah. So to top off that RMS blush, because it's a cream blush, so I nak set it lah with another blush. So I'm trying out this Patrick Ta blush. So this Patrick Ta is a makeup artist in the US. So this is how it looks like. Very nice. So this one colour dia macam corally sikit. So blush yang I pakai tadi is a bit pinkish, so I don't know how it's gonna work. Just try. It has a very shimmery texture, so you can see. Oh, okay. So I say this blush dia macam ada similarity to if you have used NARS blush before, the famous blush. It has a similar like effect to it. So if you are the type yang suka blush that is not like shimmery, then you might not like this one, but yeah, I think I put too much there, so just gonna use the same brush and just infuse it out. Okay, so for highlight I'm gonna use my Physicians Formula butter highlighter. Again, I'm gonna set my face with the Catrice powder. For lips, I actually used the RMS tadi, tapi I want to try something new that I got. It's a lipstick from About Face. About Face is actually line of makeup created by Halsey, the singer Halsey. So this is the makeup line that she created, About Face. So this is the painted lip color. I think the color is a bit dark, so I'm just gonna use a lip liner first. I'm using Catrice Cosmetic Long Lasting Lip Pencil to line my lips, just in case I don't know whether the lip color will bleed ke tak. So the color is a bit dark, so I don't know, maybe I'll just go slowly with it. Yeah, the color is a bit dark. See, bila apa-apa dia dah bleed dah. So this is how it looks like. It's a bit dark, so I did not use much. Color dia very dark color. This is what color? This color code name is So Long Summer. I guess that's why it's dark. It's more for the fall. Tapi yelah, kan kita tak ada fall tak sama kan. So okay, so the last thing that I want to try is the Catrice HD Active Performance Fizzing Spray. So it's a setting spray, supposed to like, it's a long wear fixing, protecting and hydrating spray. So just let's see. Okay, the spray is quite kuat, so yeah, I don't really like the spray on this. Macam spray kuat sangat. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I really like the palette, so no wonder it's a very famous palette. This palette is really famous, Modern Renaissance, so a lot of people swear by it. It's just that I was late in getting this, so but I'm glad that I got it because the colours are really nice. I like everything except for the lip color. The lip color is a bit too dark for me, but I guess if it's for night time, if you were to wear it for night time, it would be nice lah. Kalau siang-siang macam too dark for daytime, but I like how it turned out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified for my future videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.